In December, we tested this 5-year channel top. And I'd mentioned to our subscribers that while I wasn't actually expecting 181.97 anytime soon, one must consider that a clear-cut possibility. With channel dynamics, there is this crazy tendency that when you test one side, the other side is sort of drawing like a magnet. And so now that we're approaching 181.97, this is an area where one could go long, reinvest in Apple, and then hold out again for this channel top that is in the mid 260s and climbing. This is not going to be a V-shaped rally. It took the better part of 2 years to climb similar distances. So now that the bloodletting is over, this could take at least a year, possibly the better part of 2, before we presumably make our way to that channel top. Now, if we do close below 181.97 at the end of this week, even if we close Monday below 181.97, with present volatility, we could within the week test 164.07. And this is 165.67, this low. This low area, bound to give the market trouble on the way down, probably would result in a bounce back into the low 180s. But if we close the week below 181.97, I think we've got a good high for the year. And this stock should continue deteriorating into what I see as more of like a mid to upper 120s over the next, wow, could this be 3 to 5 months? But I would say by the end of the year, the stock would likely continue south into the mid to upper 120s. But if we hold above 181.97, the 5-year bull trend remains intact. And in fact, bouncing back into the low 230s is quite possible over the next 3 to 5 weeks following a test of 181.97. This is a solid zone to take profit in if you're long near term. Also a short sale area, potentially back into the low 180s. If we close above this 230.80 area, that's not going to happen this week, of course. But if so, we're just a month or two away from retesting 266.86. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.